Good day, fellow Scratchers. Let's take our game we started the other day and turn it into something epic. Start by signing in, and then you can click on the My Stuff button and find the program you made the other day. When you track it down, click See Inside, and your components will appear. Remember, we learned how to quickly create a forever loop that tracked the arrow keys, and when we hit start, it sent a message to our sprite, and then we could drive it all over the screen. Check out how easy it is to make this a two-player game. First, find the epic backpack down on the bottom, and then take the pieces of code that we built the other day and drop them in. What the backpack does is it allows you to move your cool code to another sprite. So I mentioned we were going to play tag. I'm going to switch to fantasy and find another character for my ghost to chase. Why not the witch? When the witch appears, you'll notice she has no scripts. So all you do is you grab the backpack and you bring her scripts up. And we want her to start being able to move when the broadcast of start happens as well. So this way we have one click that makes both of these movable. We want the witch to be able to move with the ASWD keys. So if you look at the letter A, it is on the left. So replace the left arrow with A. The D is to the right, so replace the word right with D. W is up. So scroll down and find the W. You do need to be patient to get that to move. And then, of course, down would be S. And then we want her to show up in a different location because they can't be so close to each other. So just take her X and Y numbers and make those positive. With those little adjustments, hit stop and start. And notice our two characters are now at opposite ends of the screen. And you can control them with the ASWD. Let's add a nifty bit of code to the ghost and make it so that he can tell when he's touching the witch. Start by giving him another when I receive start. And then, of course, we want the forever so that he's always checking it. We need to drop in a nifty if-then. And finally switch to the sensing and bring out a touching. And instead of touching the mouse pointer, we want to know if he's touching the witch. When he gets her, let's go to the looks and say something. Instead of hello, how about something like gotcha? And let's find a cool sound and have it celebrate. When you go to sounds, right now it's set to play pop. Instead, go to sounds and click on the sound library. And I prefer human sounds, but you can pick whatever you want. And I'm going to bring in the cheer. Simply click it and tell it OK, and it's now part of your library. And you can return to your scripts, and then you can play the sound cheer after it's been touched. Let's stop and start. Give it a quick test. I'm just moving the ghost. If you're playing with a second person, the witch could run away. And there you can see, it says gotcha and you won. So, in a matter of minutes, you've made an epic two-player game. Make sure you remember to do save now. There are so many cool things you can add to this. Stay tuned for more as I add them tomorrow. But for now, you can just explore on your own and see how cool you can make your awesome game. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.